Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing?
Pretty good here.
And welcome to the channel. Christa's going to do her second extremely difficult and complicated mod this morning. She's got a couple of sets of grab handles. And we want to send a big shout out to Jack, a subscriber to the channel, for sending these to Christa.
Who is awesome.
Awesome. Thanks, Jack. And we're going to show you how to put these in. Again, it's a very difficult and complicated mod, so pay close attention. And here we go. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over to Christa here. I'm going to be the camera guy for some of this, the voice in the background. So she's got her grab handles and her Jeep here, of course.
Two different lengths, two different sizes. We'll get to that. We're going to start with the ones with the straps.
All right.
And from what I understand,
I'm going to run around to the other side real quick.
Open it up.
So let me go over here to get you a better angle. Hop in here.
So these we're going to save for a moment.
Yes.
Set those down. So we're going to start with these ones, the shorter ones, which
and I think maybe we should pop the top at least open and give you a little more room and a little more light on the film here.
That's
So
probably a good idea.
Let's do that. I'm just going to pop this open and lift this up. There. Is that all the way? As long as it stays, that's okay. If it slams down on her while she's doing it, well. Okay.
All right, so there's a little space right in here.
Little space right up under there.
Right up under there. Right through here. And that's where these babies are going to go.
Absolutely.
So,
first you need to unentangle them.
Unentangle, yes.
And remember how they work, because I always have trouble with that myself. I don't know why, but...
Whee! Alrighty. So, we're going to put this side on. I can hear Louie barking in the background.
That would be the dog, not the captive that we have in the house. So.
Okay, so I'll leave it loose for a moment, just so.
Yeah.
I do have it on right.
These are too cool, and what a great match for the Jeep. Look at that orange compared to the orange over here on the door.
Yeah.
It really is. Oh, excuse what she adjusts herself.
Hair in my mouth.
Ooh, that doesn't
Us
sound
girls
very good.
know what we're talking about there. All right, let's see. We're just about. This one wants to be difficult. There we go. Okay, now to tighten it.
Yeah, and you want to have the handle at the bottom, I assume.
I do.
Yeah, so you want to tighten it up accordingly, and I would think you want it fairly tight because it will stretch over time.
Well, let me see here. Do I have to tighten it first? Thought I'd be able to just pull it, but...
That or get inside and stand above it and do it, I don't know.
Hence my lovely side rails.
Oh, yes. That's right. Let me see about getting up here as well. There you go. That's good. That's a much better
We're about centered under there, aren't we?
Well, you'll be able to move them.
Well, no, but I mean...
Yeah.
You know what I mean. For this extremely difficult... Am I missing something?
Look at the concentration on her face.
Ta-da! Hi, Mom.
That mother's just driving through. There she
Oh,
goes.
she's going.
There she goes.
Let me get it as tight as I can. Okay. I think that's good. This is much easier. I should have come up here to begin with.
Well, we'll do the other side this way. Are you getting it?
I am. Slowly but surely. There we go.
Awesome. Looking good so far, I think.
I think so. No.
Not tight enough for you?
Well, I think it's as tight as I can get it, but
Let's see if we can position you guys on here, and then I'll lend a manly hand.
yeah, please do. See, you gotta loosen it to be able to tighten it,
Yeah, that's right.
which is a bit of a pain, really. Hold on, okay.
It may be
That one's a little bit looser.
what you get.
I think so. Just want to make sure that we've got it as tight as we can get it. I would imagine they'll probably... Whoops. Yeah, see, that's...
I think that's about as tight as you get, which is pretty good, I think.
Hang on, look at that.
So let's walk around to the other side and take a look now that that one is in.
Nice. Nice.
There you go. You guys can see it from here. Let's walk around and take another look. There you go. This is the grab handle installed on the Jeep. Now, if you wanted to spread it out a little bit, you could put it beyond this bolt here.
Yeah,
But
then
it still would
it's not
pull
long
together
enough.
there. So
It's not long
there you
enough.
go. That's the grab handle on the driver's side. And when you want it up out of the way, you just push it up out of the way.
Yep.
So let's go around and do the other side. Okay, picking up on this side.
Yep.
Should be a little easier to do now, hopefully, than the other side.
Again, trying to get it tight.
Yeah, well, it's one of those
And there we go.
fasteners, you know.
To this very...
That's one side. We are 3/4 of the way done.
Can you help me out, honey?
All right, once again, it's time for
The muscle.
a man's touch, so stay tuned. All right, so we've got the second one up here. You guys can see the grab handle to help you get in and out of the Jeep. When you don't want it, you just push it up there and it's out of the way.
Yep.
So the next ones that we're gonna do are these. Give these to Christa over here so she can get in the shot. And those actually go behind the passenger and driver's seat headrests so that you have something to grab onto when you're exiting the Jeep. So let's start, I guess, on the passenger side. I'm going to go around so we can see Christa try to take her headrest off and actually put these on. Okay, so now she has to figure out how to remove the headrest, which is a button right there on the side. Just push in and pull up. I can push this one in for you. Oh, wait a minute.
Are you pushing?
Is there one on that side
There's
too?
one
No,
there.
right here. Feel that? You got to push that in. And this should be able to pull straight out. Ta-da! So there's a little button here you have to push, and then this one, of course, on this side. That's how you remove it. And then you thread the ends of the strap around your headrest, like so. And we'll do this.
Knitting anybody?
We'll do this on each side, of course. Yes, all you knitters out there, I suppose you might have an advantage in doing this. There you go. Feed those back through. You may have to push the button in on that side, yeah. There you go. Now she is skillfully adjusting them upwards. Maybe one more click. Not sure if you'll actually be able to get these all the way down. You may have to leave them up one, but that's okay. It'll go up higher.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
There. Okay, hold on.
Oh, is there a notch?
Yeah.
There was a notch, I see.
Stuck on a notch.
I was wondering why you couldn't get that. That's as far as I'll go, which is fine.
Okay.
All right, so that's the passenger side. So now she's gonna scooch around over and do the driver's side. All right, removing the driver's side, you're probably gonna have to tilt the seat forward. Looks like it's gonna hit up here. There you go. Look at her, she's like a master at this now. Look at you.
Whee.
Go, Christa, go.
So.
All right, this should take her about 2 seconds to feed, I think. Three and a half hours later. All right, now it's time for reinstall. And one notch and then one up. There you go.
There it is.
All right, so you guys can see there is what the grab handles look like from the rear. Again, check out how well they match the Jeep. You can see the handle there and then the Jeep ledge over there on the other side.
A little bit of the orange on the inside just pops.
I think it's awesome.
Yep.
Nice addition to the Jeep,
Yep.
functional, and adds a little bit of color inside here.
Little pizzazz.
Which
Thanks again,
it
Jack.
needs.
Thank you so much.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
All right, one more little thing we wanted to show you guys that we hadn't put on camera yet, and that was the dinosaur attacking the Jeep.
Yes.
If you look over here, there is a new addition to the windshield, and that is the dinosaur
Yes.
attacking the Jeep.
A gentleman by the name of Rob C. sent that to me. Too cool of a concept. I absolutely love it. It's paying homage to the T-Rex chasing the Jeep in Jurassic Park.
Yep.
And it is awesome. I love it.
It's very cool. Let's take a look at it from the outside. Show you what that looks like. Kind of hard to see in this light, but there is the dinosaur attacking a Jeep. It's pretty cool. I think that is
cool.
pretty darn neat.
Yeah, I love it.
Anyway, we just wanted to get on here, show you installation of these grab handles. They are too cool. These are paracord grab handles. Again, sent to us by Jack. Thanks again, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time.
On the web.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.